is going to be my first time actually doing this myself, so come along. First, we're going to turn on our goggles. Always make sure when your goggles are on that you keep your antennas on. Push once and again to turn that thing on. Take my drone and plug it in. Very nice. We're going to push the bind button, which is under here on the DJI goggles. So just push it. Yeah. Once you've pushed that, then take your drone, and there's a little button right here. So you push that. Very nice. The light is red. I don't know if it's supposed to. Oh, guess what? And we're bound. Now I'm going to see for the very first time what it looks like inside. It's going to be so good that I'm going to hate analog now. Who knows? We're gonna find out everything now. That's super exciting, isn't it? We're gonna have a whip-de-doo-dah of a time. Okay, what's it gonna be like? Is nice. The above device is not activated. Connect to DJI Assistant to activate and receive a complete product experience. Very nice. That is pretty cool. Oh, you know what? I have the cap on the camera. By the way, these goggles suck when they sit on your head. Okay, now this should be cool. Whoa, there we go. Very nice. I see you. Oh, wow, that's so cool. I kind of walk around like this. I go, oh, that's kind of fun. Try walking around. Oh, what just happened? Try walking around, carrying the drone. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. I guess it's going to be even better when I fly it. It is wonderful. Well, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully that helps you. If you enjoyed yourself, like it and subscribe for more fun FPV stuff. I'm just learning. It's my first time. We can do this all together. Very nice. Oh my goodness, can I stop recording? Bye. Oh.